Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add and remove stuff from your outfit on Just to Impress. So for instance, you've accidentally pressed on this and you want to remove it, but you don't know how to, and you just keep adding stuff on. I did not know how to do this at first. So to remove items from your outfit, you're going to select this on the right corner. And you'll be able to see how many what clothes you have on. Essentially, people like to have this enabled while they're doing it. I think it is efficient, but I don't like it. I can't see my outfit, but if you like it, that's up to you. So to delete, just press the X button here and it's going to remove the items as fast as that. That's pretty much how you can add and remove items. Here I'll show you. For instance, I already have glasses on, but I accidentally added this one. So select this again and just remove it. That is it. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.